Hey everybody, I'm going to do a little social experiment. I have these Utah Goldbacks, and it's one 1/1000th of an ounce each one of these. So if I melted it down, it would basically be a really tiny amount of gold, not even really worth it, but it's the concept that it's kind of like a wallet size thing. I used one of these and I didn't even expect anything from it, but I got a pretty good reward for what I did. So what I'm going to do is a durability test. I'm just going to carry these around in my wallet with the rest of my money, and I want to wear these down. I want to see how durable they are, and I may pass a few out. Actually, I'll probably pass all of them out because people seem to be very receptive to it. So, social experiment here.